Hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls, and today I'm going to be decorating my wooden tiered tray. This is my second tiered tray for Easter that I've uploaded, and I hope you enjoy. I think they're so much fun to decorate, and I hope that I can give you some inspiration if you're looking for ideas. I love playing with these, and if you didn't see the one that I uploaded last week, I'll link it. So I'm just playing with a little bit of florals and some greens and some pops of color and of course some Easter inspiration. You got to have some eggs. And I love that little wooden bunny. The post that he's sitting on actually is the same color as the wood of the tiered tray. So it looks cute. And I love adding the greens. That bunny's too tall. Love the carrots. I've used those in quite a few vignettes. Green balls are always a great filler on tiered trays. Not sure if I'm liking that candle or not. It's a little too fancy, if you will. Nope, too small. Now those are bigger carrots. I just got to keep playing with it, trying different things. This is a different candle. Going back to the more orange, because it pulls the orange from that egg up above, as well as the yellow. I don't know. I'm going to play with it a little bit more. Let's try a different bunny. He's so cute, I wanted to use him, but well, it's an option. Kind of cute. I got to look at it a bit. Try to play a little more. Try this little bunny. Nope. I mean, it's okay, but it's not as Eastery. It's maybe more simple. I kind of want a little more pop of color. I really like him. That looks cute, simple but cute. I like the color of the orange above and now the orange below, and that's where it's going to go, right over there. And let me see a little bit more. I'm going to try popping this sparkly egg in on the bottom to see if it will give some light down there, some brightness. Oh, I like that. Get rid of the candle. I'm liking that. As I said, sometimes simple is best, but to me that has a lot more pop of color. Makes the eye dance around a bit. You know, I like taking and doing the triangles, if you will, when I'm decorating. Like I've got the carrots up and the carrots to the left below. And then I've got the green plant up, and down on the bottom I've got the green topiary. Or the green potted plant, not a topiary. And then the eggs kind of tie in all the colors. So here's where I stuck it, next to my coffee pot, and that'll make me smile. Well, if you like decorating, DIYs, crafts, and cooking, I'm your girl. I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel if you're not yet a subby. And here are some other videos you might enjoy watching. I'm wishing you and your family a happy Easter.